Good evening, everyone. This is Atticus from The Complete Trade, and today we're going to be taking a look at Lido Dao. So it's been a few weeks since we've covered Lido Dao, so I thought I'd just make an update. Just in regards to the Binance news that came out yesterday, to be completely honest, I don't care, and I'll be making a quick update on Bitcoin at the end of the Lido Dao coverage. Okay, so jumping into the analysis, as stated in previous videos, Lido Dao was trading in a bullish descending channel pattern, which obviously broke out towards the upside. Lido Dao, very similar to Bitcoin and Ethereum, continues to close above all the key daily and weekly moving averages, which is bullish for the long term. One difference between Lido Dao and the large cap cryptocurrencies is that Lido Dao is very close to price discovery. Lido Dao is just roughly $1 away from reaching new all-time highs. So the biggest question right now is, are you going to get one more shot to purchase Lido Dao before we go to new all-time highs? And to answer that question, we'll shift gears into the Elliott wave count. Just a quick refresher, I believe Lido Dao is in a bullish 1-2-1-2 setup, very similar to Ethereum. The long-term targets for Lido Dao remain consistent at $12, which is the 1.618 trend-based fib extension. Jumping into the short term, we do have more price action to work with than the last Lido Dao episode. So Lido Dao is probably trading in a leading diagonal, and just judging on the bullish engulfing candle bouncing off the 20 daily moving average, Lido Dao is most likely going for our wave 5 of our initial impulse off the summer lows. The target for this wave 5 is at the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement at roughly $2.98. The next pullback, which is the wave 2 retracement on Lido Dao, should be the last buying opportunity before new all-time highs. When this wave 2 retracement eventually comes, we'll draw support areas to continue to add on to our existing positions. In regards to taking profits, if you're on leverage, Lido Dao is up roughly 90% off of its lows, so perhaps if you're on leverage, it's a good idea to take some profits. I don't use any leverage, and I'm certainly not selling Lido Dao. As stated in previous videos, I think Lido Dao is going to double digits in the next market cycle. And finally, let's take a look at the Lido Dao against Bitcoin valuation. I haven't covered this chart in a long time. I think the last time I left you guys off with saying that the Lido Dao against Bitcoin valuation was clinging on to the white 1.618 trend-based fib extension level inside our blue Fibonacci retracement support area. As of right now, the Lido Dao against Bitcoin valuation has found support at those levels and is now pushing higher. We've also broken out of this bullish falling wedge. The last time the Lido Dao against Bitcoin valuation broke out of a bullish falling wedge, the Lido Dao against Bitcoin valuation made new all-time highs. So let's see if history can repeat itself. So just a quick update on Bitcoin and Binance. As stated before, I don't care that CZ has resigned and he pleaded guilty towards money laundering charges. Listen, the last time the CEO of a cryptocurrency exchange resigned was Arthur Hayes back in 2020. And guess what? Bitcoin continued to rip to new all-time highs. In my opinion, everyone should stop focusing on the old cryptocurrency actors and characters like CZ and Sam Bankman-Fried and start focusing on the new cryptocurrency characters, the new actors, the new bull market narratives, and most importantly, focus on the analysis. You'll never hear about Sam Bankman-Fried or CZ in the next bull market. I'll bet you every dollar I own that you didn't even know who Arthur Hayes was until you watched this video. TA will always reign supreme over any stupid breaking news article. We've covered this time and time again on this channel, illustrating that the financial media is very deceptive and it's a poison to all of our brains. Now jumping into the analysis for Bitcoin, nothing has changed. Last video, we stated that there were bearish topping signals in place for the short term. Go watch the last Bitcoin video, but we still anticipated one more high in both Bitcoin and Ethereum. That has not changed. But I would like to point out, even if Bitcoin does make a new high around the $40,000 region, this wave 2 retracement towards the downside is going to happen sooner or later. Bears will get cocky and confident, but this will just provide us with another buying opportunity. So stay tuned. Okay, so that's my update on Bitcoin, Binance, and Lido Dao. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.